In the last series of lessons, many of you had challenges with plotting this file as a PDF file. So let me demonstrate here so that you can either resubmit your DWGs, or in the future when you have to submit a PDF file, you'll know how to do it. In the top of the menu, click on File and then Plot. So Plot's about halfway down this menu. And we go through this menu from top to bottom, left to right, much of which we don't have to change. The first thing you have to change, though, is the plotter name. Now, some of you may have or Adobe PDF only if you've actually installed Adobe products, but the majority of you have not. So you have another option, which is DWG to PDF down here at the bottom. So this is AutoCAD's version of a PDF file. So make sure that's listed in here. You'll notice it already indicates what kind of shape the file is, and you can either do it in landscape or portrait. Just leave the way it is. Paper size should be specified if it's not 8.5 by 11, but typically it's 8.5 by 11, which is the last choice on this menu. I don't want to plot out the display. I want to plot out a window I select. So I'm going to change where it says what to plot to window, and then click on 2 points. Click, move your mouse, and click. There's the window that is going to plot. I can center the plot so it's nicely placed in the middle of the selection window, and then preview it. Now, when I preview it, this is exactly the way it's going to come out in the PDF file that you're emailing me. If this is fine, you simply close the preview window, and you are immediately returned to this window interface. Go down to where it says OK at the bottom of the screen, and from here, you're going to select the desktop and whatever folder you have created. I will go into the landscape folder. I won't save this. Here are all the lessons. This was lesson number 5. Now you're going to notice a couple things. At the bottom here already has a PDF extension. This is where you use the proper naming convention. So land 150, identify whether you're in section A or B, then use your last name, your first name, and then the actual assignment number. And in this case, it is assignment number 2, and then click on Save. That is the file that you'll be sending to me for this particular project.